Welcome student. Uh, Now next part, mechanism of addition of HBr to alkene. In last video we have seen this addition reaction. Alkene react with HBr giving product alkyl bromide or alkyl halide. How this reaction take place, that we have to discuss. Now just consider unsymmetrical alkene. CH double bond CH2 plus HBr. This reaction gives us two product, one CH3 CHBr CH3 plus CH3 CH2 CH2Br. 2 bromopropane, 2 bromopropane and 1 bromopropane. Okay. Now among these two, this is major product as per Markovnikov's rule and this is minor product. Now we have to prove why this is major and why this is minor. Okay. So the answer for this question is in the mechanism. Mechanism of addition of HBr to alkene. Mechanism means stepwise description of each and every part of the reaction. Okay, all things we have to discuss in the mechanism. Now we have to consider this reaction. See what happened during the reaction. We know this HBr molecule. HBr here, H is partially positive, Br is partially negative, because this bonding electron pair of HBr is shifted toward bromine. Bromine is more electronegative. That's why bromine gain partial positive charge and hydrogen gain partial negative charge. This is polar molecule. During reaction, what happen? This bond will break. H and Br separate out to give H plus and Br minus. Bonding electron pair goes with bromine atom because it is more electronegative. H plus and Br minus. H plus means electrophile, and this is nucleophile. Okay, this happened initially, and then step 1. In this step 1, this propene molecule CH double bond CH2 react with electrophile H plus, because this electron density is here maximum due to presence of double bond. Electron density is maximum. Therefore, this react with H plus, not Br minus. So among this HBr, H plus add or attached to the reactant first. Therefore, this reaction is nothing but electrophilic addition reaction. So what happened in this reaction? This HBr will going to attach to one of the carbon atom. This pi bond electron will attach, will shifted here, and then H plus attached to this, or it is also possible it can be shifted here. See, if this bonding electron pair shifted over this carbon and then H plus will attack on this, then what happen? Here, and this carbon become positive. Okay. Plus second possibility, if this electron shifted over this carbon, then what happen? This carbon become positive, and you will get this. Carbon with positive charge means carbocation, but this is primary carbocation. Primary carbocation, and this is secondary carbocation. Okay, so H plus has two possibility, 2 point of attachment. H plus can attach on this carbon, then this carbon become positive, or if this H plus attached to this, then this carbon become positive. Means due to this possibility, we will have 2 carbocation. One is primary carbocation and another one is secondary carbocation. And we know secondary carbocation is more stable than primary. The stability of secondary carbocation is more than primary carbocation. Okay, so therefore those carbocation which is more stable, definitely that will form in more quantity. So this is major in the reaction, this is major and this is minor. Why minor? Because this is less stable. Less stable product form in less quantity, more stable product form in more quantity. Okay, so in step 1 this is slow step. Actually slow step because stable molecule getting converted into unstable one. Both are unstable, but among these two it is more stable than this. If we comparison between secondary and primary, then secondary is more stable than primary. Okay, so you will find this side is less stable than this, therefore this step is slow. Okay, so in this slow step two product obtained, primary carbocation as well as secondary carbocation. Among this primary and secondary, secondary is more stable than primary. Okay, this is step 1. Then step 2. In step 2, Br minus, this is negative part, attached to this carbocation. If this Br minus attached to secondary carbocation, it will give one product. And if this Br minus attached to primary carbocation, it will give another product. Okay, so two product obtained. First, if this secondary carbocation react plus Br minus, it will attach and form 2-bromopropane. And this is major, therefore this product is also major. Okay, and then primary carbocation react with Br minus, then you will get here 2-bromopropane. Here this is minor, therefore its product is also minor. So why 2-bromopropane is major? Because this is formed by the stable to secondary carbocation. Therefore in this reaction 2-bromopropane is major and 1-bromopropane is minor, which is formed by less stable carbocation. More stable carbocation give more product, less stable carbocation give less product. Okay, that is the meaning. Means if we start with 10 molecule of propane, for example, if we are in this reaction, if we carry out this reaction by taking 10 molecule of propene, 10, then out of 10, 7 is here. You will get 7 molecule in the product and remaining 3 are in minor product, like this. 70% one product obtained, 30% another product obtained. So this is the mechanism, and this step is fast because there is just a combination of positive and negative ion. That's why these two reacting species having self attraction for each other, opposite charges are attracting to each other. Therefore this step 2 is faster than step 1. So step 1 is slow, step 2 is fast. Means step 1 is rate determining step, RDS, rate determining step, and this step involving two molecules, propene and H+. H+ is means indirectly HBr. So this is second order reaction. This is second order reaction. So it means the rate of this overall reaction is depend upon the concentration of alkene as well as concentration of H+, means concentration of HBr. So it is second order reaction. So this is the simple mechanism for addition of HBr to alkene. So by studying mechanism we can prove why 2-bromopropane is major and why 1-bromopropane is minor. Okay, so this is the base of Markovnikov's rule. Now next part, if we carry out this same reaction means addition of HBr to propene. Take propene plus HBr and last now what we have to do, same reaction we have carried out in presence of peroxide catalyst, hydrogen peroxide or benzoyl peroxide, and we have to provide heat. Then what happen? Two product obtained. In this reaction also two product obtained, that is 2-bromopropane and 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane. But in previous example, in previous reaction, 2-bromopropane was, if we perform this reaction directly means in absence of peroxide, same reaction, propene, HBr, in absence of peroxide, without any catalyst, then you will get same product, 2-bromopropane as well as 1-bromopropane. And in this reaction, 2-bromopropane is major product, 1-bromopropane is minor product according to Markovnikov rule. But if we perform same reaction by taking peroxide, hydrogen peroxide or benzoyl peroxide, and provide heat, then same reaction take place. But in this reaction, 1-bromopropane is major product. Remember, that is the difference between these two reactions, and this is minor. In previous reaction this was major, but now it is minor. This was minor and now it is major. So this is the difference in the reaction, in presence of peroxide and in absence of peroxide. Okay, remember this. And actually in this reaction free radical reaction take place, therefore these changes occur. I will not go into in detail, but just remember this. Then this is the method for the preparation of alkyl halide by using alkene. Okay, now second method, from alcohol. From alcohol. See, we know alcohol. This is OH attached to carbon, and suppose neighboring carbon having one hydrogen. The alcohol in which neighboring carbon, this is the carbon to which OH group is attached, and just neighboring carbon having hydrogen, at least one hydrogen. Then if we remove water from this, then you will get sorry, not like this. Okay, this is alcohol. If we remove this OH group by halogen atom, then we are directly having alkyl halide. This is the reaction. Actually this is substitution reaction. Take alcohol and from this alcohol remove OH group by halogen atom, it will giving halogen alkyl halide. In next video we will see this reaction, preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol. Thank you.